Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of a Snapchat where it says there are too many friends out there. So the easiest solution is that you open up Play Store or App Store and check whether your Snapchat is up to date or not. And the second solution is that instead of blocking people, just remove unnecessary people from your friend list. That would be helpful because blocking people won't be counted as less friends, and you would have to repeat the process of unfriending people again. So that's no point of blocking people, as it will be just unnecessary hard work on your part. So just remove people or unfriend people in order to avoid this problem. And if the problem is still persists, then you can just simply go to settings of your mobile device and then scroll down and go to apps over here. After that, click on manage apps, then search for Snapchat. After that, click on storage and then make sure that you clear up cache memory and user data in order to delete all the corrupted files related to Snapchat, and your Snapchat should be working fine after that. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.